Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone has faced but not everyone knows how to handle: rejection. Whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal goals, rejection can be tough. But what if I told you that rejection can actually be used to your advantage? Here are 11 powerful lessons on how to turn rejection into a stepping stone for success. Lesson 1. Reframe your mindset. Rejection is not a reflection of your worth, it's simply a part of the journey. Shift your mindset to view rejection as a learning experience rather than a personal failure. Think of each rejection as a step towards your ultimate goal. Every no brings you closer to a yes. Lesson 2. Analyze the feedback. Take time to understand why you were rejected. Was it something within your control? Use the feedback to improve and refine your approach. Constructive criticism is a gift. Embrace it and use it to grow. Lesson 3. Build resilience. Each rejection makes you stronger. Use it to build your resilience and prepare for future challenges. Just like muscles grow stronger from resistance, so does your character from facing rejection. Lesson 4. Improve your skills. Sometimes rejection is a signal that you need to up your game. Take courses, read books, and practice your skills to become better at what you do. Never stop learning and improving. Turn rejection into motivation to be the best version of yourself. Lesson 5. Network and connect. Rejection often means there's a mismatch. Use this opportunity to network and connect with people who align better with your goals and values. Build a support network that understands and supports your journey. Lesson 6. Stay persistent. Persistence is key. Keep pushing forward despite rejections. Remember, many successful people faced countless rejections before their big break. The more persistent you are, the more likely you are to succeed. Lesson 7. Reflect on your goals. Rejection can be a sign that you need to reassess your goals. Are you pursuing something that truly aligns with your passion and values? Use rejection as a chance to align your goals with your true desires. Lesson 8. Develop emotional intelligence. Handling rejection gracefully requires emotional intelligence. Learn to manage your emotions and respond to rejection with grace and professionalism. Emotional intelligence helps you navigate the ups and downs of your journey. Lesson 9. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude. Optimism can help you stay motivated and keep things in perspective. A positive mindset attracts positive outcomes. Lesson 10. Celebrate small wins. Don't just focus on the rejections. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Each step forward is progress. Every win, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Lesson 11. Share your story. Your journey with rejection can inspire others. Share your story to help others understand that rejection is a natural part of the path to success. Your story has the power to inspire and motivate others. Rejection is not the end. It's a detour to something greater. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to fuel your success. If you found these lessons helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.